Cable management. Yes, I'm trying to tidy up my cable management. Now, this is not the ones I actually wanted. The ones I wanted, I can't find them in the UK. I can find them in America, where they sort of like, it drops down, and then you put all your cables on, and then you click it back up and lock it in place. And I thought, that's perfect. And if I need to sort it out again, then just drop it down, sort out the cabling or add more cabling, and then push it back out again. But I couldn't find it in the UK, so I've gone for this. You get 2 in a pack, and they're made of metal, and hopefully they work. So with that, I'm going to get one out just to quickly show you, and then we'll start to install it, hopefully, or install them. As always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check them out, or in case you want to buy them. And that's it. See, you just run your cables along now. You can either have it sitting like that, so the cables are facing this way, which would make sense to make it easier for me, or you could have it like that, and then you just put the cables out through there. It says HOMEPROTEK. That's the name of the company. Comes with instructions, handy. Comes with Velcro. There's quite a few there actually. I've just ordered some of these. God damn it. It comes with a thank you card and bits and bobs, which I did know about, by the way, when I read up on it. And it's made of metal. Yeah. Let's get these bits and bobs out, shall we, Yorkie? So we have some screws. Have tapping screws. We need 2 for each one. Oh, and it comes with a spare one. That's really nice, just in case you mess one up. Yes, yeah, right. That's very nice. So we will be doing a bit of drilling because I'm not sticking it on, although I could do, couldn't I? Some little cable clips. Very nice. They look nice. Yeah, definitely need them at some point, and some little round ones for, say for instance, your mouse cord, something like that. I might use them, I don't know. I'll probably use these, and I might use them, like I said, I don't know. So you get 5 of them and 2 of them. Plus, you get 5 screws. Oh, tell I, you get 5 of them, 6 of them, and 2 of them, and 2 of these. So with that, let's do a bit of cable management, shall we? This video is sponsored by Provido VPN. It provides top-notch online security and privacy, protecting through its no logs policy and robust encryption protocols. The VPN offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of servers in different locations around the world to ensure faster connections and smoother browsing. Provido VPN supports multiple devices and platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android and Linux, and allows up to 10 simultaneously connections. The server also offers features like kill switch, split tunneling and DNS leak protection to further enhance security and privacy. Provido VPN offers 24/7 customer support through its live chat and email, ensuring prompt and helpful assistance wherever needed. The VPN server offers various pricing plans to suit different budgets, and a 30-day money-back guarantee ensures a risk-free trial. Check out the link in the video description for more details.
to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
I wanted to give you an update because it's been a couple of days since I've done the last part of the video, and yes, I am sorry that some of them are just photos, and the reason for the photos is because it was just taking too long. So to save a little bit of time on doing my installation, I thought it'd be a lot easier if I just take a few photos, so that's what I've done. So I do apologise. Let me know in the comments whether you disapprove or approve. So, like I said in my video, I ordered some cable ties. They have turned up. Thank you very much for that. These are the ones that actually come with the actual cable management system, which I haven't used yet. We need to do the cable side of things. And all the other bits that came with the actual packaging of that. Also, let me put these covers back on, because I took them off earlier, because I was having a look. Also, I ordered some Cat 8 for my new switch. Check out the video. It should be out soon. If not, it might already be out. But it's working fine, so it should be out soon. So these are Cat 8 from a company called Ugreen. I actually bought these. I didn't ask Ugreen to send them to me, but they're really nice. Look, it's got these little covers on them. And they're Cat 8. Cat 8. And they're blue. I thought, that looks really nice. And it's 1/2 metre. Yeah, I bought a pack of 4. Or 4 individuals, and yeah, they're 1/2 metre long, and they're flat, which I didn't really care about at the time, but they're really good quality. They're flat and they look really nice. 1/2 metre. That's all I needed. I needed it to go from my switch to my NAS, and from my switch to my PC. Now I might have got this one wrong for my PC, but I do have other Cat 8s, so if I've got this one wrong, I'll swap it over with one of my other Cat 8s, or I will order a 1 metre one, because I don't need it to be too long, and then I can carry on sorting out my cable management. So with that, I'm going to plug these into my NAS and my switch, and also into my PC if it fits. Let's get on with it, shall we? I finally finished it. I'm really sorry that I didn't show you everything, because it just would have took too long to make this video. Would have took me probably a couple of weeks, believe it or not. So what I've done, I've finished it off, and I'm going to show you around and give you an idea exactly what I've done. And let me know in the comments whether you think it's nice and tidy. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? Right, let me move the chair out of the way. The chair's out of the way. So, I have connections from PC over here. This is my PC one. It's not my main PC. My main PC is that one over there. Yeah, that's my main one. It does virtually everything. But that one over here is my backup one. Makes sense, yeah? So 2 monitors, a KVM switch down there. See that? That little baby there. This cable's far too long for the mouse. So I tried to make it as nice and tidy as possible. Or what I could do in the future is get a wireless one, because they work pretty well nowadays, don't they? And they seem to last quite a long time with battery life. So I might swap over to a wireless one. Let me know in the comments whether you think it'll look better. My audio equipment, solid state logic plugged in there. Again, you know, you can't get rid of all the cables, can you? There is a limit. I know you know there are people out there so where you can drill holes in your desk and hide it like that, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to leave it like this. And also my mic one, this one here. Let me just quickly show you. This little baby here. When I'm doing my live stream on my other channel, I use this. So this is why you can see that cable. Now, I can hide the cable under the desk, but I'd have to get a longer lead because that's quite short, that one. But I might do that in the future. Let me know in the comments what you think about that as well. So at the moment it goes like that. My camera is from when I'm doing most of my filming, Blackmagic Pro 6K one, and I do most of my editing in 4K, which is, or can be, quite a nightmare sometimes. So that is the setup that I have at the moment. Just want to show you from afar. Yeah, let me know what you think. It's definitely better. I think personally it's better. Also, what I've done, I put a new box section here. I've run a new box section down there to run all the cables because my internet's there, up there. See that? My internet. So that's nice and tidy. Also, I've got a Virgin cable running down there because I have a Virgin TV box in this room that I don't actually use that much, so I'm thinking about getting rid of it and saving a bit of money. Yeah, looking good so far? Right, let's show you under my desk. Let me raise it a bit. Hopefully it won't hit my my camera, but if it does, I'll stop it. No. Look at that, that was close. I need to readjust that slightly. Don't want to break it too up. Right, under my desk. Now my subwoofer, that baby there, is not quite, or it doesn't have quite long enough cable for it to not drag up and down. So what I've done, that is a box in there, and I've just coloured it over, or covered it over with a bit of wrapping paper, just to make it look pretty. Now, getting under my desk, what I've done is some more trunk in there. That's a D-link, by the way, in case anyone wants to know. And I bought it in Homebase, believe it or not. So trunk in there just to tidy that up. I was thinking about running another bit up here, but this, or these wires are quite thick, and I thought, no, I'm going to leave it like that. It's nice and tidy. Yeah, what do you think so far? And then underneath, where it was really messy, let me just show you. There you go. It is a lot better. I could do a little bit more tidying up, but I'm pleased with it. I think it looks 100% better than what it was. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah? Looking good? I think it looks good. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Yeah? Definitely a lot tidier. And there's no cables getting snagged up or anything like that. Yeah, very clean. Well, I think it's clean anyway. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, and don't forget, check out my new network switch. That baby over there.